1. Do people in your country do much housework?
Yes, we like to keep our place clean. A tidy home makes you feel comfortable and gives you a good mood, make you happy.
2. In your home, who does the housework?
That would be my mother. She retired 2 years ago and felt empty. I suggested her to move to my city and she agreed. She helps me clean my flat and prepares our dinner. It's a win-win situation. Good for everyone who is involved, 'cause I'm really tired after work. I don't have any energy or time to clean my flat. My mother regards doing housework as taking exercises.
3. Do you do much housework?
Before my mom moved with me, I did all the housework. Since I didn't have time during workdays, I could only do it on weekends. So I didn't have social life, the activities you do with other people for pleasure. But now, since my mom does the housework when I'm working, I can take her outside on weekends.
4. Do you think children should do housework?
In my opinion, it wouldn't hurt if children do a little housework. For example, wash the bowls and cups they used themselves. By training this, they can take care of themselves in the future, like go to the universities or working in other cities.
5. Do you think that men and women should share housework?
Without a doubt, I don't believe in these gender stereotypes of only women doing housework. I believe it is the responsibility of both people. Moreover, when they share the responsibilities, it takes the pressure off both of them. However, if one spouse is working all day and the other is at home, I think the one at home should cover the housework.
6. What kinds of household chores do you dislike doing?
I despise sweeping. Ever since I was a child, I've had a poor eye, cannot see well, for the dirt on the floor. I always tend to miss spots. Then later when I mop, it makes a mess. Actually, at my first job in a restaurant, I was banned from sweeping because I did such a poor job. Cooking. 1. Do you like cooking?
Yes, but I'm not an expert. I can cook simple Italian dishes like tomato or cucumber soup and potato slices. However, most of my friends who tried my cooking said they didn't want to try again.
2. When did you start cooking?
About 2 years ago. Cooking is a basic survival skill. If one can cook well, he could balance the nutrition and calories intake, and it's also essential to enhance the life quality. But if one can't cook, he might have to eat out or have much takeaway food.
3. Who usually cook in your family?
That would be my mom and my grandma. They can make various kinds of delicious food. Even if you give them only a bag of potatoes, they can make several different dishes. Sometimes, my father would try to cook, but they are not good.
4. Do you think that it's important to know how to cook well?
I think it's a really important life skill that children should learn when they are young. Being able to cook allows you to live a healthy life without relying on junk food and other snacks.
5. Do you think cooking programs are popular in your country?
Yes, many people would like to be a cook, which is a good profession in Italy. Others who just want to improve their cooking skills would take cooking programs as well. Personally speaking, I don't think it's a bad phenomenon, but choosing a good program is important.